This is Maisha kitchen that our women named Paradise Kitchen. And my friend Bruce helped us raise the money for this kitchen when we were cooking under a tree. And you see all these people here? All these people are the founding members of helping us construct this building. It has been here for almost 10 years. Guess what? We are giving it a facelift. We are hacking the floors and we are going to do just improvement. We want to do a central kitchen here at Maisha, and we want to feed over 10,000 kids around Kisumu East.
So these are the new stoves that have actually been installed in the past week. They are much more bigger than the ones we had. These are 300 liters capacity. There are actually 3 of them, all made from stainless steel. We also have smaller cooking pots. It has got 2 pots on it. We have holding racks. We have a sink for washing. We can also see the washing area. It has also been improved. It has worktops. Flowing water. We have 4 sinks. And then of course they also have racks where they can place their utensils after they have washed them. This is a much bigger worktop for them. This is also another cooking area that has been fitted with some equipment. We have a 3-gas burner. This is also going to be used for cooking, especially for the patients at the hospital. They also have a rack here. The area has also been painted. It's looking good. This is a general store. This is where they'll be storing some of their supplies, food supplies. So the store is also looking nice. It's been improved. It's very modern. So we have expanded and improved on the chimney system. This is in a bid to help make the cooking area smoke-free. So as you can see, we have bigger chimneys that are actually going to be directing the smoke out from the cooking stoves, out of the building, through the top of the roof.
We are facelifting Maisha so that we can continue to provide services with dignified spaces that people can call home and people can love to be in. So thank you for being a donor. Appreciate you.